AMD series. Okay, so and Wi-Fi antennas. So that's what you're gonna get in this little needy Cyberpower bag. Cool. Put this to the side. Let's actually bring out this bad boy. Let's see, how can I do this? Oh, and of course you get your Cyberpower gaming keyboard. We'll test it out, see if it's any good, see how it does. And we also should receive a mouse. And here it is. We get a M1-131 Cyberpower mouse. So these do come included with your purchase. All right, let's get to this bad boy. Let me see how it connects. Just gonna slide it, put it in. Let's do it. Plastic cover. And here we go, guys. This is it. This is it right here. That's the front view. Side panel with tempered glass. Got the back view. And let's focus on this view right here. But kind of put it at an angle for you guys to take out this tempered glass. All right, guys, so I managed to get a screwdriver. So there's two little screws in the back you have to unscrew to remove the tempered glass. So I already removed those, and here we go. Put this to the side. And there we go, guys. This is what we have. So the moment of truth, right? So this bad boy does come with a 27 Super MSI graphics card by NVIDIA. I'm so excited to be able to play on this GPU. It also comes liquid cool. So for the AMD Ryzen 3rd gen, and it comes with 16 gigs of DDR4. Just gonna press on these, make sure that they're connected. I said some other reviews on these pre-builds, and one of the big things about it is make sure that graphics cards actually pushed in fairly well, make sure that the memory's pushed in fairly well, and that everything looks pretty good. I kind of interested to see the cable management on this one, and I'm gonna do it for you guys right now. I'm gonna unscrew the two little screws in the back so you guys can see how well Cyberpower did the cable management. That's always a big red flag that a lot of people are like, oh, some of these companies that don't care. So Cyberpower, if you're watching this video, if somebody shares it, this is the moment of truth for you guys. Let me see, remove this back plate if it comes up. There we go. Put this to the side. And cable management actually looks pretty decent, guys. Look at this. They actually did a pretty decent job of managing these cables. I am really. Here's the cable management for the Cyberpower PC pre-built that I bought at Best Buy. You guys be the judge of the cable management, and we'll get a closer look of the actual PC. It comes with this warning tag. Pretty much is just telling you connect your monitor to the HDMI port from the graphics card and not the actual motherboard. And here you guys have it. I'm gonna turn this bad boy on and I'll let you guys. Really really surprising. Look, this is one of the reasons why you should open up your build, because as you can tell, see these cables for the fans, the RBG fans, they actually got disconnected. So now I can actually go in here and plug these bad boys in. This is one of the reasons why you should, if you're, you know what the problem is? It looks like they tied it on so hard that the cables are actually pulling it down. So it's actually due to the fact of the, there we go. So let me actually connect these. Connect these over here. Get a better angle and a better reach. There we go, guys. So this is one of the reasons why you should definitely open up your PC, your pre-build, and make sure that all the components are connected. That way, when you boot up the bad boy, it's not gonna, you know, give you any red flags or gonna freak out because the fans are not turning on or the RBG lights are not on. You're like, what the heck's going on? And then, you know, it's gonna save your ride to Best Buy. Just the fact that you're able to just simply connect these 3-pin RBG fans to this little, I guess, chip that they put in the back, you know, it's gonna save you a trip back to Best Buy or returning it or exchange it for another one. And then all it was is that they tied these this cable too tight to where it pulled it. It doesn't really clamp on or anything. It looks like they're just going there really slightly going there. So make sure you guys open these up. That way you can know what's inside. You can double check the components. As you can tell, have a 2 terabyte hard drive in here and 250 solid state drive that I'll probably be updating later on. Now for the power supply, I'm actually super interested in seeing what the power supply was added on here, and it actually doesn't show. I may have to actually. Let me see. Let's see what's inside, guys. What do we have here? And it comes with a 600 watt Prestige Power 80 plus gold. It is non-module. It comes with the yellow red cable. So this is something you guys may want to upgrade down the line to a better power supply. But we'll try it out, see how it does, see how it performs. But this is what you guys are expecting to get inside your Cyberpower pre-built PC. 600 volt Prestige Power, 80 plus gold. I'm gonna do something for me. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So let me put this back. So this is it, guys. That's what I got. Sicko graphics card. 2070 Super, liquid cool.